proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our company's staff works hard to go the extra mile, so these positive reviews are very motivating. It just never gets old when our customers post this type of experience online. We take pride in knowing we're making our customers happy, makes us happy, as we continue to work hard to provide the best service possible. Making our customers happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make our customers happy each and every day. And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of customer satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident you'll appreciate our attention to detail and unparalleled quality. Thanks for watching. Call us today. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.